Hello, my name's Norm. I'm a master technician with Horne Auto. Back again to give you a little more information, some helpful hints to have a happy car. Today we're going to talk about air filters and the importance of air filters. Today in front of me I have two, obviously one a dirty one and one a good healthy one. The big question is, when do I change and why is it important? First off, it depends really on, again, road environment, health, life conditions. If you live in a high pollen, high dust area, you'll want to change them more frequently. If you live in a city environment, you're driving on freeway and you're involved in smog, you can plug up your filter much sooner than if you're living in a rural area. If you go with an aftermarket filter that has a different micron, you're allowing larger dirt particles into your engine and can cause premature issues. This filter right here is a perfect example of a driving condition at 3,000 miles. Typically when you're seeing a black streak like that, that's a clear indication that somebody likes to drive too closely behind another vehicle and you're actually pulling their exhaust into your vehicle. So now your car isn't operating properly because it's breathing dirty air. So when you go to the new filter, you can tell, with that your vehicle is going to be a happy car, it's going to run better, you're going to get your optimum fuel mileage and your optimum horsepower. Air filter is like the sinuses in your nose, and it's telling your lungs, what kind of quality of air you're getting and whether you can run, walk, or you have to sit. Good example is a lot of filters will come out of the vehicle looking like this, and this one, however, is a brand new one, but you think it's clean. And good practice is if you can shine a flashlight through it, that is a good clean filter. If it starts getting restricted, even though it might look clean, it is in fact congested and dirty. Here's an example. The light is not coming through as bright, so even though this is the heavy solid spot, you can tell back here it's not coming through as brightly as the other one. So obviously this one is a clear indication that a filter replacement is required. Having clean filters saves you a lot of money in the long run. Gives you more money to do with things that you like to do instead of investing it in expensive components of your vehicle. A lot of times it's just recommended to bring it to a dealer or a service center of your choice and have it done. Of course, we prefer, it's done at a dealer. That way you get an OEM product. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like it below and you can leave a comment. Thank you for watching. This has been from Horne Auto, the Chevy store that saves you more.